being closely scrutinized. Tonight, Local 12's Dan Spieler takes a closer look.
He's a big name with a big contract.
You know, they're operating with a budget over $100 million, so they've got money to spend.
Joe Cobbs is a sports business professor at NKU, but he got his master's at Ohio State.
Changing the brand associations with that program, they had to go out and make a big splash with a hire. And Urban Meyer certainly does that. He has lots of Ohio connections, so I think that the Ohio State fan base will appreciate that.
And many do, like Dan Hart, who was watching the news on Meyer today at lunch.
It's a big-time program. They wanted a big-time coach. They got a guy from Ohio. I don't think they can do any better than that.
If they were going to pay me $40 million for 7 years, I'd go as well.
But when it comes to money, how much is too much?
Football coaches at a lot of state institutions have passed and become the highest paid public official in the entire state. While I do think that our society has to ask itself some questions as to how valuable is sports to us, as long as we want to operate in a society where people can get what they're worth on the open marketplace, those coaches' salaries are going to be driven up as long as schools are willing to pay it.
Nobody goes to watch the president run the university. You know, they go watch football, they go watch basketball. That brings in the money, and you got to pay them.
Times have certainly changed since Urban Meyer played college football here at UC. Now it's a big money sport, and it goes without saying some schools have more money than others. At Miami University, Don Treadwell makes less than 10 times what Meyer will make, $400,000 a year. The Bearcats' Butch Jones makes slightly less than $1.4 million. At UK, Joker Phillips makes $1.7. Former Buckeye coach Jim Tressel pulled in twice that amount in his last season, $3.5 million, while this year's interim coach Luke Fickell made less than $1.2.
Well, it's certainly a big business, that's for sure.
Big names and big money for the Big Ten's newest coach. Dan Spieler, Local 12 News.